This is part 4 of how to paint a color chart. Make sure you have completed the first 3 parts before you start part 4. Download the template in the description below. In part 4 we will experiment with black and white and the warm primary colors. Mix a middle orange from cadmium red and cadmium yellow. Make sure it matches the orange from the previous color chart. Paint this in the top 2 boxes. Mix enough of this orange to mix half with the black and half with the white. Black and white are very powerful and change your colors considerably. Take some of your middle orange and mix a small amount of black into it. Paint this in the first box. Carry on down, adding more black until you get to the last box, which is painted pure black. Obviously, the color you get depends on the ratio of paint you use. Again, be careful. Black and white are very powerful. The second row, start with your middle orange and add white, ending with pure white in the last box. The next color we will be using is the middle green in your previous color chart. Mix and paint this color in the next top 2 boxes. You can now see how simple black and white can change your colors dramatically. The last row is purple, made from cadmium red and ultramarine blue. Be very careful with ultramarine blue as it's very strong. Repeat the process, ending with pure black and white in the last 2 boxes. And there you have it, 3 warm primary color mixes with black and white. These colors can be used for shadows and highlights. In part 5 of how to paint a color chart, we will be mixing the cool primary colors with black and white. Make sure to download the template in the description below.